Etsy just announced something huge. They are releasing a membership program in September for buyers. So there's going to be different perks for buyers if they want to opt into this membership program. They just sent an email, so I'm going to go through the full details of this program because this is big news. There's been rumblings of it for a while, so let's break everything down. All right, so when you follow the link to the email, this is kind of where it takes you, which is the breakdown of everything that they've announced so far. I'm sure there's going to be more stuff to come, but they say an Etsy Insider is an invite-only closed beta program. Everything new with these companies they usually do as a beta, which is smart because they test it out, see what people like, what people don't like before they release it to everybody. And if there's kinks, everyone's going to be, crazy about it. So this is why they do it as a small closed beta group. So they're going to release it to buyers in the United States only in September. They will be given the option to purchase an annual or seasonal membership, which will give them access to exclusive benefits. So they're saying Etsy insiders will get access to benefits like free U.S. domestic shipping, which is huge. So it begs the question, how much is this going to cost? Because shipping is a huge cost to sellers. So if we can get it for free and it's worth it, hey, I'm all on board with that. You're also going to get a special birthday bonus, a limited edition tote bag, which we've partnered with an Etsy seller, Carrie Stokes of an Etsy shop in Calhoun, for the design. And we'll also be working with select Etsy sellers to offer deals and drop item discounts and first access merchandise for Etsy insiders. So they're supporting fellow Etsy sellers. That's cool. If you're interested in working with us to offer these benefits to Etsy Insider members, let us know here. So I guess you can fill out if you want to offer exclusive benefits to Etsy Insiders. So what does this mean for you? You won't have to make any changes to your workflow or your shipping settings to participate in Etsy Insider. Plus, there's no cost to you. U.S. buyers who join Etsy Insiders will be able to use their benefits when purchasing from your shop. So it's kind of like Amazon. If you sign up for the Prime membership, you can get free shipping on anything. So what's next? We'll be rolling out Etsy Insider betas with a select group of buyers in the U.S. this September. If we decide to expand this program in the future, we'll be sure to let you know. This is just one of the many ways we're helping keep Etsy top of mind on buyers so they come back to shop again. So basically, Etsy is going to eat the shipping costs and allow people to get special perks for shipping for participating in this program and shopping on Etsy. It's going to prompt people to shop more on Etsy, which could be a good thing. And then as a seller, do I need to opt in Etsy Insider? There's no action required for your shop. So sellers need to do nothing. This is a buyer membership program. You mentioned exclusive discounts. Who's covering those? We'll be working with select sellers to offer insider deals from and item drops. So they're basically going to be exclusive items and exclusive deals. They're partnering with specific sellers to do those. So you're going to have to, basically, if you're one of those partners, you're probably going to have to lower your costs or do that discount. Should I change my shipping prices? No, we don't recommend adjusting shipping prices. Etsy insiders get free shipping. Do I have to cover the costs? No, this is covered by Etsy. So that's going to be the main thing of this is going to be the shipping aspect, and is it going to hurt me as a seller? And no, Etsy is covering that. This is solely a perk for Etsy buyers. So think about it as Amazon Prime. You pay a monthly cost or an annual cost. It looks like they're doing seasonal and annual. You get free shipping plus some other perks to keep people coming back to Etsy to build loyalty within the program. So it's going to be interesting to see how this works out. And how it drives more traffic to the Etsy platform. I am all for them doing additional things to help us out as sellers and keep people loyal, keep people coming back to the platform. And this is another way. So we'll see what happens, but this is a big announcement that just dropped, and I want you guys to know about it.